Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the class Staad Pro. Now, we will see how to get into the Staad and how to create a file and why we have to create a file in a separate folder. If you click on the Staad Pro icon, you will get this page. This page says to create a new project, to open an existing project, and so on. Now, let us go for creating a new project. Click on New Project. If you click on new project, you will get a window which says to create a name of file, location of that file, and units, and what you are going to create in that project file. Now you give a name as project 1, or you can also give introduction 1. Now we will select a folder. We will have to create a separate folder to execute a stat program because it will create a supporting files along with one individual model. That is why we will make sure that we create a separate folder and we work in that folder only. Now I have already created a folder called stat. I will select the same folder. And unit, you can select a unit in whichever you are working with. For instance, we will be working with metric system, so we have selected meters as a length and kilonewton as a force, and the same has been set as a default units. Then we'll go for a next page. When you go for a next page, it says what you want to add. Are you working on beam, or are you working on plates, solids, etc. Now let us take, we will be working on beam and give finish. So you will get a page with a grid already defined. You can work in the same page, or you can close this and create a new beam from the scratch. Now this is how you get a page. You will see a page when it's open a new project. Now you can see the icons over here which says file. When you go to the file, it gives you new file, open, close, and save as, etc. Okay, with all these comments. Then you go to edit. You can edit a picture or take a picture, and it goes copy a picture, edit, input command file, etc. And when you go for a view is how you have to see the model. You have to see the models in a small size, in a big size, or a rendering or 3D model, all that. So that will be possible if you using this commands. And tool, when you go for a tool, you have a, you have a tool to go for checking a multiple structures. That is, when you create a structure or a 3D model, it has a tendency to create a multiple structure along with the existing one. So we can go for a check with this, check for multiple structure, or check for duplicate in case if any node or any member or any plates are created, or duplicate nodes are created, or duplicate members are created, that can be notified, and you can remove the duplicate nodes. Or orphan nodes. Orphan nodes are nothing but it is not connected to any of the members. It will be just created in between. This will not happen every time, but sometimes yes. When you give a create a nodes, these orphan nodes will be created by mistake. Okay, like that. So you can also, once you complete the model, it is, we will be going to check for multiple structures, check for duplicate nodes or members, and check for orphan nodes. So that will give you the complete exact model, final model to go for analysis. So similarly, we have different